Amazon offers numerous opportunities for individuals and businesses to generate income. Whether you're interested in selling products, publishing books, or leveraging affiliate marketing, this video will provide you with detailed insights into various methods for making money on Amazon. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel The Wealth Wonk for more future updates. Selling on Amazon. Amazon Fulfillment by Amazon. What is Amazon FBA? Amazon FBA allows sellers to store their products in Amazon's fulfillment centers. Amazon takes care of storage, packaging, shipping, and customer service. This program is ideal for those looking to scale their business without handling logistics. Identify profitable products using tools like Jungle Scout, Helium 10, or AMZ Scout. Analyze competition, demand, and profit margins. Create an Amazon seller account. Sign up for a professional or individual account depending on your volume. Source products. Find suppliers through Alibaba, trade shows, or local manufacturers. Ensure the quality of products through samples and negotiate favorable terms. Send products to Amazon. Prepare products according to Amazon's guidelines. Ship products to Amazon's fulfillment centers. List products on Amazon. Create detailed product listings with high-quality images, compelling descriptions, and optimized keywords. Manage inventory and optimize listings. Keep track of inventory levels and restock as needed. Use Amazon advertising to boost visibility and sales. Amazon Handmade. What is Amazon Handmade? Amazon Handmade is a platform for artisans to sell their handcrafted goods. It's ideal for creators of unique, handmade items. Apply to join Amazon Handmade. Complete the application process and get approved as a handmade seller. Set up your artisan profile. Create a profile that highlights your story and craftsmanship. List your handmade products. Use high-quality photos and detailed descriptions to showcase your products. Market your products. Utilize social media and other marketing channels to drive traffic to your Amazon store. Amazon Merch. What is Amazon Merch? Amazon Merch is a print-on-demand service where you can upload your designs, and Amazon takes care of printing, shipping, and customer service. Amazon Affiliate Marketing. What is Amazon Affiliate Marketing? Amazon's affiliate program, also known as Amazon Associates, allows you to earn commissions by promoting Amazon products through special affiliate links. How to get started with Amazon Affiliate Marketing. Sign up for the Amazon Associates program. Create an account on the Amazon Associates website. Choose your niche. Select a niche that aligns with your interests and has a good range of products on Amazon. Build a platform. Create a blog, website, or YouTube channel to promote your affiliate links. Create content. Write product reviews, how-to guides, and other content that includes your affiliate links. Self-publishing with Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP. What is Kindle Direct Publishing? KDP allows authors to self-publish ebooks and paperbacks for free and reach millions of readers on Amazon. Develop a manuscript for an ebook, paperback, or both. Format your book. Format your manuscript according to KDP guidelines. Design an eye-catching book cover. Publish your book on KDP. Create a KDP account and upload your manuscript and cover. Set your book's pricing and choose royalty options. Promote your book. Utilize Amazon's marketing tools like Kindle Countdown Deals and Amazon Advertising. Promote your book through social media, email marketing, and other channels. Amazon Mechanical Turk, MTurk. MTurk is a crowdsourcing marketplace where businesses can outsource tasks to a distributed workforce. Workers, known as Turkers, can complete tasks for compensation. Sign up for an MTurk worker account. Create an account on the MTurk website. Browse available tasks. Search for tasks that match your skills and interests. Complete tasks. Follow instructions carefully and complete tasks to earn money. Withdraw earnings. Transfer your earnings to your Amazon Payments account or directly to your bank account. Amazon Services for Professionals. Amazon Home Services. What is Amazon Home Services? Amazon Home Services connects customers with local service providers for tasks such as home cleaning, repairs, and installations. Apply to become a service provider. Complete the application and background check process. Set up your service offerings. List the services you offer and set your pricing. Receive job requests. Respond to service requests from customers. Complete jobs and get paid. Perform the services and receive payment through Amazon. Amazon Business. Amazon Business offers business-to-business (B2B) sales opportunities, providing special pricing and discounts to business customers. Becoming an Amazon influencer. The Amazon Influencer Program allows social media influencers to create a storefront on Amazon and earn commissions on purchases made through their links. Set up your storefront. Customize your storefront with recommended products. Promote your storefront. Share your storefront link through your social media channels. Earn commissions. Earn commissions on purchases made through your storefront. Leveraging Amazon's developer tools. Alexa Skills Development. What is Alexa Skills Development? Developers can create voice-driven applications, skills, for Amazon Alexa devices. These skills can be monetized through in-skill purchasing or ads. Learn Alexa Skills Kit, Ask. Familiarize yourself with Ask and the developer tools. Create your skill. Develop a skill using Ask and test it thoroughly. Publish your skill. Submit your skill for review and publish it on the Alexa Skills Store. Monetize your skill. Use in-skill purchasing or ad services to generate revenue. Amazon App Store. What is the Amazon App Store? The Amazon App Store offers an alternative platform for app developers to distribute and monetize their applications. Utilizing Amazon programs and tools. Amazon Vine. What is Amazon Vine? Amazon Vine invites trusted reviewers to post opinions about new and pre-release items to help customers make informed decisions. Become a Vine reviewer. Maintain a strong reviewer profile on Amazon. Receive an invitation to join the Vine program. Review products. Receive products from Amazon and provide honest reviews. Amazon Bounty Program. What is the Amazon Bounty Program? Amazon's Bounty Program allows you to earn fixed commissions, bounties, for driving specific actions, such as signing up for a Prime membership. Join the Amazon Associates Program. Sign up for the Amazon Associates Program. Promote bounty-eligible products and services. Create content and campaigns that drive actions eligible for bounties. Earn commissions. Receive fixed commissions for each successful action. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Comment below with your thoughts and let us know. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, The Wealth Wonk, for more future updates. Thanks for watching.